This is the mission of Catholics in social communication.
Stop our evangelizing because the Lord will always be with us.
So yun ang malaking habon sa atin ngayon. Paano natin malalabanan itong disinformation, paglaganap ng fake news.
Pero napaka-epektibo ng social media. Huwag na natin abusuhin.
Let us not weaponize communication. That is not the purpose of communication. When God became man, the Word became flesh. God communicated with us, that God and man may be in communion.